What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cat's Coils. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my 3-month update. Can you guys believe it has already been 3 months? I've had my hair in since the beginning of October, and when I tell you guys, this has been an amazing journey. I'm loving my micro locks. I get so many compliments, and I'm just loving how my micro locks are maturing, and they are just becoming nice matured locks. They're really nice and full, and this is going to be a very quick update because pretty much it's almost the same as it was 1 month ago. The only change that I noticed is that my hair, I'm starting to see a lot of shrinkage. I'm going to do a comparison. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like now versus what it looked like last month in my 2-month video, and I'm just going to show you guys the comparison. So as you guys can see though, like, the hair itself is still like really long, but my shrinkage is real. Look at, can y'all see that? Look at how long my, like, it's stopping all the way down here. But yeah, so the shrinkage is real. I'm noticing that even though my hair is still long, like, the shrinkage is just shriveling it up. So that's just the nature of locking. It will happen. It's normal. Once all the shrinkage stops, then you will start to see all of your growth. But yeah, so that's the only change that I really noticed. As you guys can see, I just finished my interlocking. I interlocked my hair for the second time. No new news about that. It's literally the same. It looks the same as last time. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the back. And then on the side. So as you guys can see, my grid is still intact. My hair is, my density is pretty thick, so it's kind of hard to see my parting because of the density, but the parts are still nice and neat and intact. As far as my alopecia is concerned, I do still have my alopecia spot. It's right here. Not really getting any better, so that is an area of concern. The reason why I have not posted like a video on what I do with my alopecia spot is because I've been to the dermatologist and I've started taking some like these little drops, this lotion drop, and I honestly haven't seen a change. So until I see a change in my alopecia spot, I will not be recording like a video on like how to repair alopecia, because as you guys may or may not know, alopecia flares up for many different reasons. So at this point, I'm pretty sure that my alopecia is flaring up because of a medication that I am taking currently. So there's not really much I can do about that. So yeah, that's my update on my alopecia. Also, as you guys can see, I don't have any hair jewelry anymore. My cross, I took that off because I had to interlock and it was kind of dingy, so I didn't want to put that back on. And my jewel that my husband got me broke, so until I find some more hair jewelry that I absolutely love, I'm just gonna rock my micro locks without hair jewelry, and that's okay because the hair is still beautiful. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about that. My curls, they are still nice and juicy and curly. The curls are becoming a little more defined at the ends, but they haven't really changed that much. Like, since I trimmed my ends, the hair at the top is still a little curly, you know, like it was before, so not much to share there. So that's all I have for my 3-month update. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.